What if I told you there's a place where lions, elephants, rhinos, buffaloes, and leopards all live together, inside a massive volcanic crater? Yeah, not a jungle. Not a plain. A crater. Welcome to Tanzania's Ngorongoro Conservation Area, where the Big Five don't just roam, they rule. Picture this. Over 2 million years ago, a volcano the size of Mount Kilimanjaro exploded so violently, it collapsed into itself, forming what's now one of Earth's most incredible wildlife sanctuaries. It's like nature took a giant bowl, sprinkled in every African animal imaginable, and said, "Let's make paradise." Today, over 25,000 animals live inside this natural amphitheater. And among them, the legendary Big Five. Let's meet them. The African elephant. Slow motion of massive elephants crossing the plains, calves play beside their mothers, light dust clouds swirling around them. First up, the gentle giant. The African elephant. Ngorongoro's elephants are old, like wise elder old. Some of the last left in Africa with massive tusks that curve like ivory swords. They roam silently, flapping their ears like nature's air conditioners. And when they move through the mist, it's almost spiritual, like watching ancient kings of the crater. But don't be fooled by their calm. One wrong move, and a charging elephant can crush a Land Cruiser faster than you can say, "Safari selfie." The Cape buffalo. Next up, the Cape buffalo. Don't let the cow-like look fool you. This beast is basically Africa's version of a tank. We're talking unpredictable, moody, and terrifyingly strong. Even lions think twice before messing with them. Locals joke that the buffalo wakes up every morning and chooses violence. Yeah, you don't want to be in his way. The lion. Now, the king himself. The lion. Ngorongoro is one of the best places on Earth to witness a lion pride in action. Here, males lounge like royalty, golden manes glowing under the sun, while the lionesses handle the real business. Teamwork. Strategy. Precision. Every hunt is a high-stakes chess match. They move low, tails down, silent. The moment the wind shifts, it's over. One blink, and boom, 400 pounds of muscle pounce into action. It's raw. It's real. And it's why lions rule the crater's food chain. The leopard. Zoom into an acacia tree, a leopard draped across a branch. Later, it carries prey up the tree. Next, the most mysterious of the Big Five. The leopard. You don't see a leopard lets you see it. They're the ghosts of Ngorongoro, stealthy, silent, and stylish. Their golden coats shimmer like liquid sunshine as they slink through the trees. They hunt solo, strike fast, and then disappear before you can even blink. If the lion is the king, the leopard is the spy, unseen, unmatched, and untouchable. The rhino. And finally, the rarest of them all. The black rhino. There are only about 30 of them left in Ngorongoro, making each sighting feel like striking gold. They look prehistoric, thick armor, dagger-like horns, and a walk that says, "I was here before your species even existed." Sadly, these incredible creatures are constantly under threat from poaching. But here in Ngorongoro, they're protected, watched day and night by rangers who guard them like national treasures. The Symphony of Life. Montage of all Big Five: elephants bathing, lions roaring, leopards climbing, buffalo charging, rhinos grazing under sunset light. Here's the wild truth: Ngorongoro isn't just home to the Big Five. It's home to the big picture, a perfect ecosystem where predator and prey, power and peace, life and death all play their parts. Every sunrise writes a new chapter. Every roar echoes through the crater walls like a heartbeat. It's the ultimate reminder that nature doesn't just exist, it performs. Drone shot rising from crater floor to the rim, revealing vast landscapes and the distant Serengeti. So next time someone says paradise doesn't exist, tell them it does. It's just got a few more teeth, claws, and horns than they expected. But wait, what if I told you there's another African park where lions actually swim, elephants walk on water, and leopards hunt from trees? That's tomorrow's adventure. So hit that subscribe button, and join us, as we journey into Africa's wildest heartlands, one Big Five story at a time.